critical thinking skills and examples for kids. Today, we are going to practice using our critical thinking skills to help solve a problem. Just as a review, critical thinking means using your experience, knowledge, and creativity to solve complex problems. And here is an overview of the steps that we can use to help us. Okay, now let's put these skills to good use and help our friend Tyler out. Tyler has a problem. His teacher had given him an assignment to write the name of the sports his classmates play next to their names. But Tyler did not take great notes. So, he has to remember what sports 4 of his classmates, Bill, JK, Lisa, and Susie, like to play. The worst part? He cannot ask them again because all of them are on a field trip. What a bummer! Since the assignment is due today, Tyler is running out of time. Let's see if we can help him. Let's start off with what information Tyler does know. There are 4 sports to choose from: basketball, kickball, football, and soccer. Tyler knows that JK likes to kick the ball, but does not like kickball. He also knows that JK, Lisa, and Susie do not play the same sport as Bill. And Bill plays a sport that starts with the first letter of his name. Lisa enjoys kicking the ball, but never scores goals. And Susie is not a fan of kickball and soccer. Oh yeah, and JK's mom does not let him play football. Whoa, that is a lot of data to consider. How can we help Tyler figure out who plays what? What are some strategies that he can use? One of the best and easiest strategies is drawing a picture or making a table, like so. Tables are a simple way to organize information and help us narrow things down. Now that we have a table with the sports and classmates listed, we can consider the clues that Tyler has and draw an X every time an option is eliminated. Since JK kicks a ball but does not like kickball, Tyler eliminates basketball and kickball. And he knows that Bill plays a sport that starts with the first letter of his first name, which eliminates kickball, football, and soccer. Since JK, Susie, and Lisa do not play the same sport as Bill, Tyler knows he can eliminate basketball as an option for all 3. Lisa enjoys kicking, but never scores a goal. So soccer and football are definitely out. And Susie does not like to play kickball or soccer. So those 2 are not options for Susie. And remember, JK's mom will not let him play football. So we can X that out too. Well, look at that. It looks like we helped Tyler figure out the answers. Bill plays basketball. JK plays soccer. Lisa plays kickball. And Susie plays football. What a cool way to use our critical thinking skills to solve a problem. How would you solve a problem like this?
Hope you had fun learning with us. Visit us at learnbright.org for thousands of free resources and turnkey solutions for teachers and homeschoolers.